Hello, this is JP Hrisoulas. The next installment on the welded wire blade will be threading the tang. This has been rounded out. I got to oil up the die here. Oil up the stock. It's been tapered. And now I'm going to step around here so I can attack this better. This is a 1/4 20 thread, which for something like this would work real well. You got to make sure you get it straight and start it straight in order for it to cut straight. Makes sense, doesn't it? So you make sure you got oil on it. Take a couple of turns, back it off. Once you get a few cuts on it, it'll just pull its way down, as you can see now. Okay, take a couple of turns. You want to make sure you got enough area threaded to go through the entire grip. Back it off a little bit. Throw some oil in there. Never have too much oil. Lubrication is important. It makes things so much easier to do. So we're going to run this all the way down. This is going to run all the way through the grip, through the bolster, the pommel plate, and everything in between, and leave enough length out there to put a castle nut on the end. And it's getting pretty close here to being done. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do. Now, something this size, it's basically a no-brainer. You can probably train a chimpanzee to do this. Or at least an orangutan. Okay, so back it off. Just unscrew it. Should have a nice set of threads there. If I don't have enough length, I can always put it back in the vise and rethread it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to check that length right now, so I can remember what I did with the grip core. I should have enough there. So let's check the length on it to make sure. Here's the grip. I'm just going to undo it. Okay. Let's check the grip length. Now, I'm going to slide that right on there, like that. And see, do I have enough? Not really. No, I'm going to put a few more turns on that, just to be on the safe side. So let's put it back in the vise a little bit. As you see, the tang extension is welded back up. I'll take it down to the end of the rounded area there. Put more glue, more oil on it. Glue. Knock out these damn, what you call it, that was odd. I don't know what that was. Some sort of film on the die. So let's just run that down. Keep running it down. Running it down. Running it down. Running it down. Okay. Should be coming into the cut right here. It is. Let me walk around the other side, get a better tack on it. Now we'll run another 5 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more just because I want to. And that should do it. That will do it. So we'll take this out again and check it for length of the threaded area. Because it's better to be a little bit too long on this than to be a little too short. So we'll take this off. Don't want to hit the tripod. Wipe it off. And we'll once again check it for length on the grip. And as you can see, with it all the way rammed up to the holster, I figure that much. Yep, we got plenty of length. Got to about there. And that should show us where we're at. Let's zoom this out a little bit. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. The next step will be etching it. You can really see the nice coloration on the grip on this one. It's going to be an interesting looking knife. At least I think so. On the other side is just as nice. That's the top. I like that rakish angle on the back there. It makes it look kind of sexy in a wholesome way. Get your minds out of the gutter. Okay. Well, that's where we're at. I'll be getting this thing set for etching, and that'll be the next episode. If you like this installment, please hit the like button. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. And may the wise Lord bless you. Keep you safe. I'll be back.